Hi everyone, my name is Fatiha. I am a first year student studying physics, and today I'm going to give you a tour of my room. First, I get in my room using my key card. So I hang my coats in here. There is the full-length mirror here, and here is the desk. Here I have pinned my deadlines for these terms and some equations that I should know. And here is like a little motivational message to motivate me to study. I got this from the origami club in the welcome fair, and I got this in the Chinese New Year from the Kemp Porter common room. So there's more space up here. So this is the view. This is the wardrobe where I can fit all my clothes in. It's very spacious. So this is how I place my prayer mat to pray. This is the bed. I put my shoes in this storage space, and here I have some bags in here, and I have two of my luggages inside this one and that one as well, and I also have some snacks in these bags. This is my bed, and there's more space at the top. This lamp was given to us, so was that fan over there as well. We also have this chair, and the bin was provided. So next is the ensuite. There's a sink, the mirror, some space. There is this storage space. You can put lots of stuff in it. They provided us with this laundry basket as well. There's a shelf over there, so you can put your shower gels and everything. Thank you for watching the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And so this was my room tour. Bye.